Okay, we are up at the top of Glen Falls, and I just lost a sock.
Maybe you can find it.
So I now have one sock on. I'm only wearing one sock. So now we know, don't get near the edge of the falls, because if you slip and fall, you would go over like my sock did. So don't do that. And now I'm debating on going down to the bottom of Glen Falls since I'm one socked. And she's upset that I lost my sock. Do you want to go to the bottom of Glen Falls now? Okay. I'll do it with one sock, just for you.
It's kind of like I lost my sock.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of like she lost her sock.
Yeah.
Alright, so over here is an area where you can wade like in the shallows. And so we had taken off our shoes and socks and we waded in the shallows there. And as I was putting on my socks and shoes, I dropped one and it went down there. Over the side of Glen Falls. But we stayed way over there. Way over there. Right here along the edge to just get our feet wet.